Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's make pineapple sheera. So let's get started. Let's take few chopped almonds and few raisins. Take 2 cups of Sooji or Rava. Take 2 cups of brown sugar, quarter size nutmeg, 4 cardamoms. Boil 2 cups of milk with 2 cups of water. Please don't throw the skin. Instead, add to the milk. Remove the skin of the cardamom and crush those seeds. Two cups of finely diced pineapple. Prepare pineapple puree from 2 cups of finely diced pineapple. Heat a vessel, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Let the ghee melt. Then add 2 cups of Sooji or Rava. Fry the Sooji or Rava till it changes its color. As the Sooji has changed its color, so remove it in a separate bowl. Let the Sooji cool for few minutes. Boil 2 cups of milk with 2 cups of water. Then add some few saffron strands. Heat a vessel, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Then add the chopped almonds. Then add raisins. Add the fried Sooji or Rava and give a quick stir. Then add a pinch of salt. Here we are adding salt to enhance the taste of sheera. Then slowly pour the water and milk mixture. Then gently stir the mixture. As you stir, the mixture thickens up. Then close the lid and let it cook for few minutes. Then add 2 cups of brown sugar. Give a quick stir. Then add the pineapple puree. After adding pineapple puree, give a quick stir. Mix everything well and close the lid and let it cook for few minutes. Add the crushed cardamom. Add the nutmeg powder and then add few finely diced pineapple pieces. And there you have it, your yummy pineapple sheera is ready to enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you never miss an upcoming video. Also, please like this video and share it with your friends and family. Your support means the world to me. Please check the ingredients and method of cooking in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.